Hello, my name is William French. I'm from Oklahoma, Oklahoma City. This is a picture of my family. The first picture is my dad, then there's me, my mom, and brother. We enjoy playing board games. We love Scrabble, Connect Four, and we enjoy spending time together. Every weekend, we always take time and pick one of these games to go against each other. We're very competitive. I am a school teacher. I teach kindergarten. We teach the kids how to read. We do calendar time, and we always have a theme for our classroom. And I chose to have a Disney theme this year. My pastime, I enjoy watching movies. I love Disney and Pixar movies, and I enjoy the Harry Potter series. I also enjoy playing soccer. Soccer is very fun to me. I enjoy it a lot. I'm a huge Batman fan. So if I'm not watching those movies, I enjoy watching Batman series, even the very old ones.